Hi, this is Vizi Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable dark mode on ChatGPT. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot developed by openai that has become one of the most popular and fastest growing consumer software application in history. Like all other popular websites, ChatGPT also provides a dark mode option for its users. Using dark mode on websites has several benefits, including reducing a strain and fatigue, improving readability, and more. So in this video, I will show you how to enable, how to apply the dark mode on your ChatGPT. It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our ChatGPT. Here's I am open the ChatGPT on my laptop. Now, as you can see in here, my ChatGPT theme is following my system. It's on the light mode, and I want to change it to dark mode. So you can go to settings by clicking on the bottom left here. You can see your name, your profile. You can click on that. Now you can select on settings. On general section, you'll find there is an option theme. By default, it's set to system. Now you can change it to dark. You can select on dark. You can also change the accent color. By default, the accent color is gray. But if you want to change it to maybe like pink or blue, orange, yellow, and green, I will choose on pink. So it turns out like this. You have changed your ChatGPT into dark theme with the accent color is pink. It's very simple, right? So that is how to enable, how to turn on dark mode on your ChatGPT. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.